Did you know a man chose to burn alive rather than deny his belief in infinite worlds? Giordano Bruno spent 7 years locked in Roman dungeons. His crime? Teaching that countless planets existed throughout the universe, each possibly filled with life. The former monk had studied ancient wisdom and reached a stunning conclusion. If God was infinite, then creation must be infinite too. Billions of stars, billions of worlds like Earth. In 1600, his judges offered him freedom. All he had to do was say he was wrong. Instead, Bruno looked them in the eye and said something remarkable. "You who sentence me are in greater fear than I who am sentenced." They burned him alive in Rome's town square. Even then, when they offered him a crucifix to kiss, he turned his head away. Bruno understood what the Stoics taught. Some truths are worth more than comfort. Some principles matter more than safety. Today, modern science proves he was right. Billions of potentially habitable worlds exist. Sometimes standing for truth costs everything, but the alternative costs your soul. Which would you choose?